I've seen this one. Look at Psy. This is something I would probably do too. I mean, he killing it though, as he should, and I bet he can still kill it to this day. No. Not the leggies.
What's a time when you found the cover of a song was actually better than the original?
Not this man's. Not this man's right here. Not this man's. This man's is a legend in the K-pop community. His high note, guys, listen to his. I know this man's. I don't know him personally, but I know of him since Vine days. And he's still uploading. I'm like, damn.
What's a time when you found the cover of a song was actually
look
better
at this. Look
than
this
the
run.
original?
Look at this. Ooh, you know he killed that. He said the world is yours in whistle tone.
Huh? Am I an animal?
Listen, you gotta know, sometimes your faves are not, like, they're delirious, they haven't slept yet, they haven't eaten yet, so sometimes they be like, huh? Girl?
Am I an animal?
Why the hell does this have, like, fucking Bretman Rock energy right here?
Huh? Am I an animal?
Like, right here. Smacking the shit out of your throat. Yeah, my guy! And smacking the... Whew. You don't even have to add the sound effects of the smack. That you hear that shit.
Am I an animal?
Yeah, damn.
Chan, you have a big nose. Yeah, I do. I have a pretty big nose, don't I? 좀 큰 거 같아요. You know what else is big?
What did he say?
Is he lying though?
대겐이라고 해. 대겐. 대겐. You know 대겐 in Japanese? 발음 제대로.
Where were all these videos for try to make me laugh? These are the type of shits that will catch me off guard. Y'all are slacking. Like, where was this when I tried to do try not to laugh and y'all were like sleeping? Like, I'm gonna send my favorite funny K-pop. No. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Hey, yo, cut the camera. No, cut the camera. Cut the camera.
You know
No.
dig in.
We're not doing this right now. No, we don't.
Kimpa bitch.
애플 망고를 먹다니
He really choked on his mangoes?
너무 우아해 보이지 않나요?
Oh my god! Wait, why'd you hit her? Why? Her hand slammed, right? Not her head.
What you know about that? Let me introduce you to my.
She bust her ass? Aw, Jesse.
What you know about that? Let me introduce you to my.
And I wonder how.
God damn.
Oh, no, Kevin!
What are you doing, Kevin?
Kissing the fans, bro.
No! Stop it!
What you doing, Kevin? Kissing the fans, bro. Yo, either Kevin a little bit down bad a little bit. It's okay to be down bad a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But Jesus, alright, he's just on some crack mode, you know what I'm saying? I said, you know what I'm saying too much.
Drop the roof and let this.
Don't do this. Wait, what is it? K-pop idols before and after crack. Who made this? $1 Million Pussy.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might.
That's kind of funny. God damn.
Daddy. Yeah, I love it when you call me daddy.
Yo, real talk. there are two different fans of BM. There's the thirsty ones like, yes, daddy. And then there's that response like, okay. There are two different fans. And I'm both of them. I'm literally like, okay, that's enough. We get it, yeah.
BM, why so daddy? Yeah, I love it when you call me daddy.
Dead ass, that is a mood.
저는 이 끝을 안 좋아해요. 이 끝은 맛이 없어. 나랑 똑같네. 나랑 결혼해. 아, 저 깻잎 안 먹어요. 안 먹어요. 저.
Yo, some idols be like savage, real talk though. He's setting the boundary, that's the difference. He's setting the boundary saying like, hey, I don't like the end parts. They're not my favorite. Oh, we should get married, I love them too. I love end parts, bro. Like, that shit good, busting. Oh, I love that. I love when they're so savage.
What's wrong with me? Why do I feel like this?
Okay, no, hell no. Who's gonna?
치즈김밥, bitch.
Bitch, you sliding into the DMs like that?
It's my life. I can say whatever I want. Boy, what is under that beanie? Probably hair.
Probably hair.
Not too sure. Evan, are you okay? Are we ever okay?
That's a mood. That's a fucking mood, bro. Are we ever okay, really? As human beings, are we ever okay?
Fashion is not my style. Your fashion ain't mine either.
Gotta get that.
Damn, that clap back though.
Gotta get that booty.
Dre, you need to interview him.
Kevin, are you a snack? No, I'm the whole damn meal. What are you doing, Kevin? Kissing the fans, bro. No! Stop it! I never skip any Beyonce's. I don't know why it flopped. I feel as useful as the pea and raspberry. Boys world domination.
Bro, I need Eric and Kevin in my Twitch live so bad. Think that it's possible. I think it's possible. And the day it comes, chat, you're gonna remember.
Fans, bro. No! Stop it! I never skip any Beyonce's. I don't know why it flopped. I feel as useful as
the pea and raspberry.
Yo, I've been laughing at this video of Eric sitting down on the armrest. Hold on.
That's actually pretty funny.
Hold on.
That's funny. That's the initial reaction from me, bro. It literally is the initial reaction. It's like, oh no, no.
하나, 둘,
25.
This is so dumb. I did not expect that clip. I did not expect that clip, actually.
Does not feel real.
That is real?
You only like Joshua.
I'm sorry. Is
that
okay? It's okay. Now, why are they getting on the floor?
Why is so much happening? Maltese in 2016, Taehyung was hanging out with a girl, and Isaac, who the fuck was it?
Toothless, kind of hot. Who the fuck is that? The dragon from Outer Space. Stop!
Wait, was that an actual issue in the? Hey.
Es hora de comer. Es hora de comer. Es hora de comer.
Yeah,
I am so sorry, but who in the hell in SM decided, oh my god, because when we're jumping, it's popping,
I low-key am curious about that. Like, the music video was epic as hell, but who in SM approved of these lyrics? I'm not gonna lie. Lyrics. Okay, see, you can sell it easier when you got freaking Kai, Taemin, Mark, and everybody saying it to me. I'll be like, yes, we are jopping. I agree. But when you go and break down by yourself without no images or influences in the whole world, and you break down the lyrics, you're like, it's cause we're jumping and popping, we're chopping. Them saying it looks cool. Me saying it and representing that, not really that much. Did you ever use the term jopping in your lifespan? Except with K-pop, like with your non-K-pop friends. Be dead ask me. If you did, then that's cool. Like, no disrespect to Super M. I think Super M got some bangers. But jopping, when you look down at it, at the lyrics, you're like, huh. If I were going into the conversation with my parents, said today, I was dancing and I did a little jopping, Dad. And it was quite immaculate. Maybe we're just not jumping and popping hard enough to understand the feeling of what Super M means. Because their priority is to tell us that they are jumping and popping. They are jopping, which is a combination of those two words, which is immaculate. Now if we break it up into pi, divided it by 2, what does that solve, chat? What does it solve? Tell me. It becomes a super massive number. Now, if you take out number from the situation, you got super massive. Now, super massive what? Pause. Hold up. Let's take out the assive out of massive. What does that leave you with? Super M. Now, where does the jopping come into the mix? What is one of the requirements in K-pop training in dance classes? Popping. Now, what do they do sometimes in dances? Sometimes they're jumping. So if you add jumping and popping together, it would become jopping. Now, in this case, we don't usually add those two at the same time. For example, SM wanted to proclaim a new type of dance style, which is jumping and popping. Did a revolution. Hence why we got jopping. Now, SM are always trying to try new things. Trials and errors. But this one right here, y'all. This one right here had the backing of Marvel. Think about that. Why is that a mood? No, why is that? When you try to sing your heart out, and your really talented friend next door just starts belting, and you're like, you know, fuck this, bro.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you?
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.